Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam was cast into the fire by his own father and by his people when he was young. He called out to Allah using specific words. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used similar words. These words were very, very powerful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks about these words in more than one place in the Quran. It's important for us to know what these powerful words are that made the fire cold, these powerful words of supplication that instilled within the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam the peace, the calmness and the tranquility on a day when, if it were anybody else, they would have been so discontent, so worried and concerned. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah is sufficient for us and He is the best disposer of our affairs. That is the dua. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah is sufficient for us. We don't need anyone else. We trust Allah. We know that Allah is enough for us.